Next, we have BeGig. Welcome BeGig to the stage, please.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of you would have hired tech freelancers while building your product. Sometimes you would have had good experience, while most times you would have been unsatisfied. We all know that there are clear benefits of hiring talent globally. But in my conversations with over 500 founders, I've heard questions like, how do I know whether this person is credible and reliable? How do I make sure that the person is not going to leave the project in between? How do I also ensure data security? Because the developer is working remotely. How do I make sure that my data is secure? Existing platforms help you to connect with talent globally on their platform. But what they don't do is matching the talent based on aspirations. You also get hundreds of people bidding on your projects when you post on freelancing platforms, but it becomes really difficult for you to identify the right resource. And from there on, the entire journey, you're absolutely on your own. Being a non-tech founder, I have faced a lot of problems while identifying, hiring, and engaging with tech talent. And hence, with BeGig, we are helping companies globally to hire Indian tech developers who are highly qualified, who work remotely on your projects to deliver innovative tech solutions. We onboard them through rounds of screening so that when you post a gig, we give you top 3 recommendations, saving hours of screening time for you. From there on, we help you to guide you to create milestones that are outcome-based so that you only make payments when you get the deliverables done. Through our human-assisted as well as tech platform model, we are there with you throughout the entire journey. The bandwagon to the future of work is already on the move. Join us in this journey now. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's hear it for a BeGig. Future of work's another interesting industry, and by hiring workers that if you don't see them, how do you vet them? So it's something that's going to help a lot.